I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here, doing a midweek recap. We saw markets go up, very nice movement, but it's time for them to pull back. And I'm going to show you which trades I took this week, what we had so far, what I alerted, the winners and the losers that we had the week so far. Luckily, we had no losers so far, so let's go ahead and jump into that. But before we get into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on all my future videos that come out. And also make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on our social media via Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into it. So again, let's do a quick recap on the markets. Let's look at S&P 500. So that's SPY, that's the ticker for that. So yearly chart, you can see the all-time highs 286.63. So we're only about a point away, just $1 away on SPY. But again, the resistance that we've seen this week has been that 286. It touched that, got rejected off. But what I'm seeing mainly on the 180-day chart is we're seeing it sell off, and we're seeing it hit that highs, the 70 RSI. We've seen that hit 3 times already, and also seen MACD in the overbought region. So I'm looking for markets to pull back. I'm looking for SPY to come down to around 280, maybe even test that 50 SMA if we get more of a sell-off and we don't get that quick bounce. But we had a nice run in markets, nice earnings from this month and last month. Still some earnings coming out, but the big ones went up. So very nice movement in the markets, but I'm looking to play the downside right now. So let's go ahead and do a recap on the trades that were alerted, which ones we took profit on, and I'm going to post those right now. So that one, first one was Baba. This was more of a gamble call that I called out. Only $45, ended up with 36% profit on this one, $16 profit. So small trade, small win. So if you are going in bigger size, say you're going with $1,000, that's $360 profit right there, 36% profit. So when it's a gamble like this, I usually take 1 to 3, no more, not too much on these. So it's a small win on that. That was overnight profit. Next was MU. This was on the shares profit. It was $1 profit on the shares. Only had 16 shares on this. I was just picking up for a low side and just sold at the top because all the China news that's going on. And next thing also had MU January call that I called out, and that was $60 profit overnight. It was a nice dip. Picked it up on the low, made a nice jump the next day, sold it at the top. So it was a very nice play that I called out. $60 profit overnight per call on that one. The next thing, finally sold CME. Very happy with this one. Was getting to close to 20% profit, so just got rid of this one. I was expecting markets to pull back today. They still went high, but it saw a huge sell-off. I'm going to get into that today. But had a nice 16.5% profit on this. This was the January call. I wanted to hold this, but again, I'm expecting markets to pull back. So once this comes back down, I'm going to pick it up along with Visa again. So $139 profit on that, and that was I held this for about a week and a half. So that was a very nice profit. A lot of people made nice gains on that. And again, I called that many other alerts. So again, I caught SQQ call. I got TQQQ put. I got SPY put. And I actually picked up some SQQQ shares for swing trade. I got in at 12.08. So I got 80 shares on that one. So if it goes up $1, it's going to be $8 profit. You know, do the math. No, up and down. But I have calls and shares on that one. But again, yes, if you join the membership, you can get all these alerts, whether it's options alerts, swing trading alerts, all our live alerts. We also have a live voice chat, so make sure to check that out on our website. But I'm going to show you what happened with SPY today before we get into that. So we had that drop at the open. You know, came down, went up, tried to test, just got rejected off a weave up. So as soon as it broke out, we saw Amazon, Google run up, made that huge run. So markets made that nice jump. But again, everything else was looking red. So got rejected at that 285.9. Couldn't break 286 support. So again, double top and looking to look at that huge sell-off right here, all the way from 285.9 to all the way down to 285.4, 285.3 area, and actually falling in after hours as well. So I'm looking for SPY to open below 285 tomorrow and potentially fall tomorrow and Friday, and let's see how it plays out. But I'm looking to get out of my puts. So I still have my Intel long shares. I captured the dividend, ex dividend on that, so holding that's for break even. I have my SPY put. I have my SQQQ calls because I'm expecting TQQQ. I have puts on that one, so I'm looking for this to come down, and I have this SQQQ shares and calls on this one. So made a nice jump after hours, looking for this to break around 12.5 to 13. So I'm looking to play the downside on the markets right now, trading lightly, took profits, and just looking to be careful, waiting for that market pullback, see how much they pull back, waiting that for a 3-day roll, waiting for them to bottom out, consolidate, and then I'll pick up some shares again, maybe Visa, stuff I'm watching right now. A big one is BABA that I'm watching. Again, yearly, way oversold. A lot of China news that's going on. Looking for next support of 175. So if it gets to that area, I'm looking to pick up BABA, and also looking to pick up Visa if it pulls back, and a few other ones that I'm looking at. But right now, just mainly focusing on my puts, focusing on markets come down, and then once they bottom out, I'll wait a little bit and then pick up stuff for long term. Pick up to on the reversal. So that's pretty much all I have. That's midweek recap. I'll come back again Friday with another video to see how the week went, and I'll keep you guys updated. But I'm pleased to announce our new membership options. So guys, you can join the chat room to get all these live alerts. Get a 1-week free trial at no cost. Click that button. That's pinnacletrading.us. And then if you head over to membership, I've been talking about the month-to-month plans. We'll recently released new plans additional to that, so you can see we have a 6-month plan and per year plan. So in the diamond, you're getting $4.99 per 6 months, and $9.99 for 12 months per year. And you're in the 6 months, you're saving, basically getting a free month, or compared to month, and also per the year, you're saving on 2 months, basically getting free 2 months. So make sure to check out the membership, and if you're interested, go ahead and join. And you can simple month-to-month plan pricing, or you can go with the 6-month and 12-month pricing, which saves you money in the long run. Alright guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified, and make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on our social media. Alright guys, I will see you again on Friday. Hope everybody has a great week of trading. Tread lightly as markets are coming down, but again, I'll see you on Friday. Guys, take care.